How to replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to replay view one's photos or videos on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your phone. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Tap on three-bar menu icon. Once you reach setting and activity, choose account center. Scroll down, locate your information and permission and select that. Now tap download your information. Tap on download or transfer information. Select your account and tap next. Select some of your information. Here you need to select messages and tap on the next button. Tap on download to device. Then you can easily create files. Once that, Instagram will email you a file containing your chat history. You can download it and you'll be able to replay view one's photos and videos from your DMs. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.